If you ever messed up your website and wanted to start everything from the first, then you came to the right video. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to reset your WordPress website. Hi friends, welcome to Fully Techie. Let's get started. To reset your website, you need to install a plugin called WP Reset. To install that plugin, go to Plugins, under Plugins, click on Add New and search for a plugin called WP Reset. And this is that plugin. Click on Install, and once after installing, activate this plugin. Once you click on Activate, you will be headed on to your plugins page. So what you have to do now is go to Tools, under Tools, at the last you have WP Reset. Click on it, and then you will be seeing this. Scroll down, and here you have to check all these boxes and type Reset. Once after typing, click Reset Site. It will warn you that your site will get reset, but that's what we want. Click on Reset Site, and then it will take some time, and once after that your site will get reset. Now our entire website got reset. Everything will start from the first, as like when you bought a new domain. Now when we go to our website, this is how it will look like. It's set to a default 2021 theme. Now you should start everything from the first, from designing your homepage to everything. I'm a freelancer. If you want me to create a website for your business, then do contact me through Fiverr. Link will be available in the description. And that's all about this video. Thank you for watching.